we are doing so many 996s and now 997s. I feel like a used car salesman. And there it is, $69.95. No, forget that. We're doing a lot of these because of the fact that there's so many problems with the engine, so we're doing the conversions. Renegade Hybrids, V8 conversions, we're doing it right here, and we're gonna show you what this one's all about. The gentleman's name is Todd. He loves this car so much that guess what? He's getting a 997 so that we can do yet another conversion. But not just any 997, he's gonna find a twin turbo 997. So here's his 996. This is gonna be one of his dailies. It's gonna be fun. And Travis is behind the camera. Travis, bring it in. Show him what it looks like. Look at how beautiful this is. So there we go, Renegade Hybrids 996 with the 480 horsepower LS3. Just beautifully done. It runs incredibly awesome. And this is a gorgeous car. This happens to be kind of a young mileage car. It's tight, it's got a beautiful interior, it's sexy, got great looking rims, all that sort of stuff. And of course it goes now like it's never gone before. So 996s, Renegade Hybrids. You know what? We're gonna show you how it goes, just like we always do. So we did the 997 with all the Pro EFI, and here's a 996 with all the Pro EFI. What does that mean? It basically means that all of these gauges that you see right here are all talking to the Pro EFI computer, and they're all the Porsche gauges. We've not reconfigured the gauges at all. We've not done anything to these gauges. Even the body control module, the ABS, the airbags, everything in the entire car works off of the Pro EFI. There's no more DME from Porsche. There's no GM ECU. The one computer, which has just an infinite amount of variables, all sorts of things that you can program, all things that you can do, including traction control, PSM, traction, let's see, TSI, whatever it is, all that sort of stuff. Obviously, there's no script. You get the idea. Pro EFI takes care of all of that sort of stuff, and we are just so happy to be in bed with them. So here's a 996 with the Pro EFI setup. It's all plug and play. You're not splicing a bunch of wires or anything like that, and it's working with all the stock gauges, and it works fantastic. This is such a cool car. So Renegade Hybrids, V8 conversions. We do all sorts of different stuff, 996s, 997s. That's our newest one, 997s. Caymans, Boxsters, 944s, 928s, 914s, 911s, you get the idea. 702-739-8011. That's 702-739-8011, or www.renegadehybrids.com. I'm Scott. Travis is behind the computer. Give us a call. Do it!